Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review from Beauty Forever Hair. This is another Bye Bye Knots wig and is kinky straight, so I'm showing you guys the goodies they sent over. I like that they sent over some press-on nails and then everything that you need to lay your wig. So I'm just gonna start by taking the wig out the package. So this is gonna be a straight out of the pack install. I love Beauty Forever Hair wigs because they are just super easy to install. I do a lot of wig reviews, but I always find myself going to the Beauty Forever wig reviews to get those out the way because I know it's going to be such an easy install, and this install is no different. So I'm showing you guys the construction of the cap. You have a clip in the back and then you have a removable adjustable strap. So some people like to have it on, some people like to have it off. It's your preference. So I'm just going to start by tinting the lace. I'm using my even lace tinting spray in the darkest deep color, and I'm just going to pat that into the lace so that it can match my skin tone. I am adding the adjustable strap. You want your wig to have a snug fit, especially if it's a glueless wig. So I'm just going to start by applying the wig and adjusting my strap to my comfort level. You don't want it to be too tight so that you get a headache, but you don't want it to be too loose either because you want your lace to lay nice and flat. So I'm just trying on the wig and I'm already impressed because it's already looking good, but I'm just going to add a couple more like customizations. I'm just going to add a little bit more of my foundation color so it can absolutely match my skin perfectly. Okay, so the texture of this wig is Yaki straight, which is my new favorite texture because I love the fact that it still mimics my hair texture, but it doesn't have all of those little crinkles and bumps and stuff in it, which take forever to flat iron out. So thankfully, I don't have to worry about that because it's already nice and straight. So now I'm just going to go in and frame my face. So I'm just cutting some very light layers in the front of my face. I just think it always looks better when you do that, because if you don't, then it's just like straight and lifeless pretty much. Like, it just reminds me of what's that lady from the Addams Family, how her hair is just like straight and just has no dimension to it. I just think that when you add layers to it, it adds dimension, especially like when it's blowing in the wind and stuff. So I can already tell the difference. So now I'm just going to continue to do that until I get it to my liking. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of wax to my part and my edges, and then we're just going to hot comb that out. Okay, now I'm going to flat iron my hair. As you can see, the hair is pretty much straight, so I'm not even going to go in sections like I usually do and take my time because it's pretty much straight. So I'm just really just running the heat over it to get it all the way straight, but I really didn't have to do that much work to it because it was already ready to go. Okay, and then finally I'm just going to cut the hair at the bottom straight. I don't know why, but I like for my bottom to be kind of like blunt-ish at the bottom. I don't know, I just think it looks better like that. I don't know if it makes that much a difference, but to me it does. Okay, to me it does. But yeah, y'all, this is the end of the install, the super duper easy install. I told y'all it was gonna be easy. It's always easy every single time with these Bye Bye Knot wigs. I love them because they mimic scalp, and it just looks really natural. Like when I show you guys the up close of what the scalp looks like, it looks so natural and it just looks so good. This hair is so beautiful and flowy. I love the texture of it. I love the luster of it. I love how much body and movement it has. You can never go wrong with the Beauty Forever hair. This length is really long. It goes like all the way down right above my butt, and it's just a look. I love it. So yeah, if you guys like this wig, I definitely recommend it because it's so easy just to wear as a wear and go wig. The hair is super thick all over, which I really appreciate. Like, they do not skimp when it comes to these wigs and the density and everything. So I will definitely have the links down below in the description. And of course, this wig is completely glueless, so you don't have to lay it down with any spray or anything. You can just pick it up off your head and go. So yeah, I will definitely have all the links and everything in the description if you like this wig or any other wig from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.